This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Teresa Ashbury. Charming home in Riverwatch Community featuring an assumable loan at an incredible 3.25% rate. This open floor plan boasts 2,565 square feet. On 2.64 acres, with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Enjoy 9-foot ceilings, LVP flooring, and tiled bathrooms. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, showcasing quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, and high-end Bosch appliances. Step outdoors to discover a recently added custom paver walkway, a 20 by 20 patio seating area, and a cozy 15-foot fire pit, great for entertaining. Nestled in the serene Riverwatch Community, this home offers tranquility with easy access to local amenities. Don't miss your chance to own this.